In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your sound and camera before a Microsoft Teams meeting. Making sure everything works ahead of time saves you from that awkward, "Can you hear me?" moment right at the start of your call. So we'll walk through exactly what to do and what to look out for. First, open Microsoft Teams on your computer and sign in if you're not already. On the left-hand side, go to your calendar and find the meeting you want to join. Instead of jumping straight in, click on the meeting, and then look for the Join button. When you click Join, Teams will open a preview window before you actually enter the meeting. This is your main place to check both your camera and your audio. In this preview screen, you should see a small video of yourself. If you don't see anything, make sure your camera icon isn't turned off. It usually looks like a little video camera. Click it once to toggle it on, if it still shows a black screen. Check that your webcam is properly connected and that no other app is using it. On laptops with built-in cameras, you may also have a physical privacy shutter or keyboard shortcut that disables the camera. So make sure that's open or turned on. Now, let's look at your microphone and speakers. Next to the camera icon, you'll see a microphone icon. If there's a line through it, your mic is muted. Click it once to unmute. At this point, you won't hear yourself yet, but we'll test it in a moment. Below, or sometimes under a settings icon, you'll see an option labeled something like Device Settings or More. Click that to open your audio and video settings panel. In the device settings, you'll see drop-down menus for your speaker, microphone, and camera. For speakers, choose the device you actually want to hear the meeting from, like your headset or your computer speakers. For microphone, pick the correct input, especially if you have multiple devices connected. External webcams and headsets often include their own microphones, so select the one that matches what you're wearing or using. Here you can usually run a short test call or test your speaker. Play the test sound to confirm you can hear it clearly, and speak out loud to see if the microphone level moves in response to your voice. If the bar moves, your mic is picking you up. Once your video preview looks good and your audio devices are set correctly, you're ready. Close the settings panel and then click Join Now to enter the meeting confident that your sound and camera are already working.